Imagine the year 2030. You walk into a restaurant and a humanoid robot greets you, takes your order, and prepares your food. At work, robots are your colleagues, handling dangerous tasks, lifting heavy loads, or even organizing meetings. At home, a robot cleans, cooks, and takes care of elderly family members. What once looked like science fiction is fast becoming reality. By 2030, robots powered by artificial intelligence will not just be machines, they will be active participants in our daily lives. But is this future full of opportunity or full of risks? Today, let's explore the future of robots and AI machines by 2030, their technological growth, impact on jobs, role in our daily lives, ethical challenges, and what this means for humanity. Technological breakthroughs. The rise of robots by 2030 is driven by massive leaps in technology. Advances in computing power, like NVIDIA's Jetson Thor, which is 7 times faster than its predecessor, are giving robots the brains to process vision, speech, and movement in real time. Artificial intelligence now allows robots to learn, adapt, and improve, making them useful in unpredictable environments. With natural language processing, they can understand and respond to everyday speech, while advanced sensors and cameras let them recognize objects, gestures, and navigate safely. Humanoid robots from Tesla, Boston Dynamics, and Agility Robotics are already entering factories and warehouses, while collaborative cobots work safely alongside humans. Add breakthroughs in energy-efficient batteries, flexible materials, and 5G connectivity, and by 2030, robots won't just follow commands, they'll think, learn, and collaborate as intelligent partners in daily life. Robots in daily life by 2030. Most people will interact with robots every day. In restaurants, machines like burger bots prepare food in seconds. In hotels, robotic concierges check in guests and deliver room service. In hospitals, robots assist with surgeries and patient care. Humanoid robots will fit seamlessly into homes, performing household chores and assisting the elderly. Collaborative robots, or cobots, are already transforming factories, taking over repetitive and dangerous tasks, while humans focus on creativity and supervision. Powered by AI and connected through 5G, robots will communicate, share experiences, and improve together. Just as smartphones became essential in the 2010s, robots may become indispensable by 2030, working quietly in the background of everyday life. The rise of robots will bring both opportunity and disruption. Studies suggest up to 800 million jobs worldwide could be displaced by 2030, especially in manufacturing, retail, customer service, and food industries. In the US alone, nearly 30% of working hours could be automated. Yet new roles will emerge. The World Economic Forum predicts 97 million new jobs in AI development, robot maintenance, and creative industries. McKinsey estimates AI could add $13 trillion to the global economy by 2030, boosting GDP by 16%. The challenge will be retraining workers and ensuring technology benefits everyone. History shows technology often creates more opportunities than it destroys, but the transition can be painful. How societies manage this shift will define whether robots create prosperity or inequality. As robots become more human-like, ethical questions grow. Should humanoids look like people, or should they remain clearly machines? Some companies argue human-like robots make interaction natural, while others warn it could blur boundaries. Safety is another concern, Activists are pushing for bans on lethal autonomous weapons, often called killer robots, that can make life or death decisions without human control. Bias in AI is also a risk. If robots are trained on flawed data, they can make unfair or harmful choices in areas like healthcare or hiring. Regulation will be essential to ensure robots remain safe, fair, and beneficial. By 2030, governments and companies will need clear frameworks so technology improves lives without threatening human rights. The future ahead. Looking forward, researchers predict robots will become far more autonomous. By 2030, they will be able to navigate complex environments, make independent decisions, and even collaborate with each other using swarm intelligence. One survey of AI experts estimated a 10% chance of fully automating all human tasks by 2037, a 50% chance by 2047, and near certainty by the end of this century. While some see this as the dawn of an age of abundance, others warn about existential risks. What if AI surpasses human intelligence entirely and becomes uncontrollable? The truth likely lies in between. Robots will almost certainly become more integrated into our lives, but humans will shape how they are used. Regulation, ethical frameworks, and public debate will play critical roles in ensuring this technology benefits society rather than harming it. So, are robots taking over? 2030. In many ways, yes. They will be in our workplaces, our restaurants, our hospitals, and our homes. They will reshape economies, redefine jobs, and challenge our ethical boundaries. But the real question is not whether robots are coming, they are. The question is, how will we choose to use them? Will they be partners that lift humanity to new heights, or competitors that leave millions behind? The answer depends on the decisions we make today. If the future of AI and robotics fascinates you, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. In upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into AI in education, robotics in medicine, and the ethical frameworks shaping our future. Robots are reshaping our future, and Intel Talks is here to keep you ahead of the curve. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest on AI, tech, and the future of innovation.
Now tell us in the comments, what's the first thing you want your personal robot to do in 2030?